everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a 2020 Christmas last minute gift guide. Because 2020 was 2020, I thought Christmas gifts and last minute gifts might be a little bit more difficult this year, or at least like what to think about getting your friends and family. So I put together a little list of what you can do to support some local companies and also just things that are really easy to get that will make really great gifts. Christmas is next week, which is both equally exciting and frightening because I'm not finished Christmas shopping. So let me know in the comments if you are done your Christmas shopping. But in case you do leave it to the last minute, then hopefully these things will make it a little bit easier for you and give you some ideas. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely consider subscribing. You can check out my other videos on my channel, and if you like them, definitely hit that subscribe button, or you can hit the subscribe button below this video right now if you're not subscribed, because I make lots of videos. All right, let's go ahead and get into the 2020 last minute Christmas gift guide. The first thing I want to say is you can probably get a lot of these things or just find some really cute gift ideas at your local boutiques. I started shopping at some local boutiques more this year for Christmas presents, and I went into some stores that I literally did not even know existed in my area, which is really sad because they are super cool stores. One of them donates 100% of the proceeds to a charity, which I think is the coolest thing ever. So please explore your local area and try to support local as much as you can this year, and obviously any year. So my first last minute gift idea is something that I think almost everybody on this planet can get use out of. If they don't already have one, I would suggest buying a 2021 planner. Planners are extremely useful for obviously many different reasons. Anyone could use one. And if there's somebody in your life who probably could use a planner because maybe they're very forgetful, then definitely try getting them a planner. You can check out all of your bookstores near where you live. Like if you're grocery shopping at Walmart or Target, there's gonna be planners there and they're open all the time. So that's a really easy, super useful, practical, but cool gift that you can give literally anyone. Another thing that is super easy to get is a plant. I would be careful with this though, because some plants you need to make sure are not toxic for any animals that they might have in their house or children. I'm literally obsessed with plants, and if I got another plant, I would be so happy about it. I will leave a list of some easy care, non-toxic houseplants that you can purchase from stores like Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, Canadian Tire. Depending on where you live, there's lots of places like that, or obviously local nurseries. Another really easy last minute gift idea that also supports local is if you have a friend or family member that always gets their hair cut or colored at a very specific salon, check out if that salon has gift cards. That way you are supporting local, you're also helping a friend out by paying for their next haircut or partially paying for the next haircut or color. It's a really easy gift. I know almost every single hair salon that I'm aware of and that is in the local area do offer gift cards. A very practical last minute gift idea is to get them a cute or really cool face mask. I'm pretty sure almost every single store I've ever been to is now selling some type of face mask, so it's really easy to get them. You can check out that local beauty salon too, because a lot of the times they do sell face masks there and they can be really cute. So that's always a really good place to look if you are looking for a cool face mask and also support local. That is the recurring theme in this video. Obviously, if you can't find them there, they're pretty much everywhere at this point. Depending on where you live, there are going to be probably a lot of restrictions at this time of the year. At the moment because of COVID, obviously, but if you are not able to actually go drop off a present or obviously see your family in any way, if you live far away from them, a really good gift idea is to get them a subscription box service like a food service or even FabFitFun. Like there's HelloFresh and Home Chef, Chef's Plate. Those are always really good practical things because sometimes people can't go out to the grocery store if they are at more of a risk to get COVID or have complications from it. So if you can drop off or get a box delivered to that person, then they don't have to go to a grocery store for a while because they have all of their meals for the next like week. A go-to last minute gift idea, which almost everyone will love if they do drink alcohol or are old enough to drink alcohol, is to just get their favorite bottle of wine or beverage and drop it off on their front porch, put a little card and a bow on it, and it's gonna be great. If they do drink alcohol, then they're probably gonna be wanting some at this point. A similar thing you can do, or you can do it as a mocktail version, is to make pre-made batches of their favorite cocktail. So I actually saw this in a magazine recently and I thought it was such a brilliant idea. If you make bigger batches of like a margarita that you would make with your friends, or sangria or mulled wine, you can make bigger batches of those, put them in these little bottles. I got some bottles from IKEA that have like a plastic like topper, but it kind of seals it down so it doesn't open up and let air in or anything. If you can get your hands on some of those, like I said, IKEA is a great place to get those, then just buy a bunch of them, make a huge batch of your friend's favorite cocktail, put them all in the bottles and drop them off at your friends and family's houses. I think it's like the cutest idea ever. Similar to that, I also did this before too, and that was to make like little kits to make cookies or hot chocolate. You can put them in little mason jars and it gives them an activity to do and something really delicious to have after it's all done. That is, of course, if you have all of the ingredients to do that, but it's a quick thing that you can make a bunch of and drop them off and give them to your friends and family if you live close to them. It's just something that is super easy to do, and it's also like a fun activity, and you could make them over Zoom or FaceTime somehow that you can do it all together. I think would be a really cute thing to do and just kind of gets everyone connected again, especially if you do have really strict restrictions wherever you are at this time. My last minute gift idea is something that may take a couple hours depending on your local photo developing place. Most pictures you can get developed within like an hour, so this would be a really cute thing if you can get your hands on a nice picture frame and you could print out and like blow up a big picture of you and whoever it is that you're giving it to and frame it and just drop it off for them. Like, I think that would be so cute. I've had a couple friends do similar things for me in the past, and it's always so nice to have something that I can display that was given to me and it brings me back to a memory that I had with whoever it was that gave me the picture. I think it's such a good idea. I love anything that is a bit more sentimental too, so it's a really easy idea. And most of the time they will sell picture frames at the same place too, so it's kind of a one-stop shop. It doesn't take a lot of time. All of these things don't take much time at all. You just have to actually be close to a place that provides these types of things, or if you have them on hand already. And of course, if you are really strapped for time and you're heading somewhere at that moment and realize you didn't get a gift for whoever it is that you're gonna be seeing or dropping it off, then obviously any gift card is really good to get. I love getting gift cards, and giving them is so easy. You can get gift cards pretty much anywhere, and you can also get them online and just send it through an email, which takes literally like 2 minutes. So that is a very literal last minute gift idea. Super easy, quick, literally don't even have to leave your house for it. So those are all of my 2020 last minute gift ideas that are really fun to make if you're gonna be making something, and also really fun to do and to give. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what your last minute gift idea suggestions would be in the comment section below. I will check it out and also hopefully help some other people out that need some more last minute gift ideas. So I hope everyone will have a great Christmas and any other holiday that you might still be celebrating, and obviously stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.